Okay, Perpetual at saka CSB, yung laro kanina, no? So, makikita natin kung ano ang counter sa triangle offense. Para madepensa mo yung triangle offense, magkaroon ka dapat ng aggressive off-the-ball defense. Ibig sabihin ng off-the-ball defense, sinabi na ng game analyst nung game na napanood ko, si Prince Rivero, sabi niya from the start, napansin niya na yung binild o yung CSB is very aggressive on the off-ball defense. Kasi ang triangle offense, it's merely an off-ball type of offense na maraming kumakat. So, anong ginagawa nila? Deny passing lanes, bump cutters, dinay nila yon. So, anong mangyayari? They are forcing Perpetual to play one-on-one. At syempre, pag nag-play ka ng one-on-one, ubos na yung shot clock mo, rush na yung tira mo on a half court. And pagdating naman sa offense, Binil is playing their usual game. Early offense, and then yung outside shots sila pumapasok dahil sa ganda ng kanilang chemistry. Nai-stretch yung depensa ng Perpetual purposely dahil sa ganda ng ball movement at man and ball movement at saka yung shooting nila, kailangan yan long close out. Pag long close out ka, open yung driving lane. Pag drive yung kalaban, humelp ka, open 3 sa corner or open 3 sa top of the key. So, ganun lang half court offense ng Binil. Talagang yung ang daming Charles Chu is a master of the horns. So, makikita natin yung horns play ng Binil on half court, maganda. At saka yung shooting talaga nila, this game pumapasok. Pero lahat yun nagsisimula sa depensa para ma-energize sila as a team. So, yun lang po.